In today's video, I'll show you how to import a JSON template in N8N. Whether you're experienced with workflows or just starting out, this process can save you a lot of time. First, open your preferred browser and go to the official N8N website. Log into your account if you haven't already, then navigate to the workflow editor, the central hub where all workflow magic happens in the editor. Look at the top navigation bar and click the three dots for more options. From the menu, select Import from File. Make sure your JSON template is downloaded and ready on your device. Once you select the JSON file, N8N will import it into your workflow editor. Depending on the file size, this may take a few moments. After the import is complete, review your workflow to ensure all elements are correct and make any necessary adjustments. And that's it. Your JSON template is now imported and ready for customization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more workflow tips and automation tutorials.